Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to unlock the Black Truffle Pie recipe step by step. First, just open your collections menu like this and then just tap on Gourmet Live and then scroll down and then on here, this one, you will see the Black Truffle Pie recipe but it's still locked. And to unlock it, make sure you already have the basic mushroom pie recipe. If you don't have it yet, you can buy this recipe from Massimo and PC Massimo. This one, this one. Just buy it on him. And then next, just tap on your stove, and then just tap on the mushroom pie recipe. This one. And then in here, and then here's the important part. Replace the regular mushroom with black truffle as ingredient, like this. Like this, and then next just tap on start cooking and then just cook the mushroom. Just tap the icon when it turns green and okay, like this you will unlock the black truffle pie recipe in your collections. Easy, right? And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.